Well, here is my 2016 limited edition Slingshot. I just love that color. I don't know if that's going to come out well. It certainly has a little more blue in real life than is showing on this camera. But I did another little upgrade, very inexpensive, but something that gives a little more pop to the front. So if you look closely, I put demon eyes in it, and I just love that look. Very cool. Very easy to do. And I replace basically incandescents with LED, so they are actually going to be more energy efficient than what the incandescents were that were in that position. So anyways, nice little walk around. Every once in a while I like to show this thing off. And today was a pretty nice day to get a ride in it. Alright, well thanks for watching. Any questions on doing that, let me know. I'll put a link below for those LEDs. They're very inexpensive. Take care.